Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do a rotate image animation on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro and we have our image right here. So to simply do a image rotate animation is you can click on your image right here, and then from here you want to locate your effect controls pane. So in my case, I have it right here. So once you have selected your image right here, you want to navigate here, and then from here you want to navigate to rotation. So I have my rotation right here. So all I want to do now is basically position my playhead into when I want the image to start rotating. So in my case, I want it to start rotating at the beginning. So I'm going to place my playhead in the beginning and click on the keyframe icon right here. So what I want is that I would want my arrow or my image to be at the starting point right there. And then from here, I would want it to end the animation by this time. And by this time, I want it to be already like this, just like that. So when we play it back, we would have now this animation. So you can also make them closer, the keyframes closer right here, if you want them to go faster, and the closer they are, the faster they will be. And of course, the farther away they are, the longer it will be. So that is basically how you can do an image rotation animation on Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.